Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make some DIY axes for throwing. More like a hatchet really, still fun. Let's get into it. All right, as you can see, I've taken this project about as far as it's going to be able to go today, but that's okay because these are just cheap fence pickets, so I can easily unscrew them and replace them. I'll probably get something a little bit beefier that'll last a little bit longer. As for the axes or hatchets, they're actually in really good shape. The heads are still on really tight and they both still really have an edge. I only have two in my hand because, as you saw earlier in the video, I split the handle on one, which is okay because I can easily remove the handle and put a new one on. The other one somehow ended up in the neighbor's yard, which I'm not really sure how that happened, since, as you can see from the video, I'm a pretty good aim, so... All in all, it was a really easy project and a really unique way to use an old saw blade. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like it. We have tons of other projects on our channel, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we would love to hear what you thought of this project in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.